Okay fam, quick stop here. There's a Electrolux dryer by the look of it. It's okay. Well, this is a condenser. Oh, come on mate. Maybe my mate will want this. Ay. It does spin. It's not great. Yeah, okay. That part. Let's just quickly send some photos, eh? Oi, fam, check it out. There's a lot of good stuff here, man. Like this. That's thick. But there's a dryer and a washer there. Oh, this is hectic. Look at this thing. Yes. Alright, let's handle those first. Chill there. Oh, the let go, bro. Come on, bud. What is this? A Bosch. I don't know if he wants this one. It's okay. How does this go on like this? Yes. Spins okay. Got a grass action. Alright, let's carefully put this up here. Oh my god, you heavy ass thing. Move. Electrolux. Come on. Still got the cord. Oh, I'm missing the back. Alright, pack it up. Okay, that looks good. Not so much this. No. Yes. Empty. Oh, what's this? Oh, a hoverboard. Yep. There's a fan here. Let's try. Come on, bud. Let's go. Got him. Okay, that's it. Let's do this. Oh, I could muck around there for a while longer, but I'm gonna get these to my washer guy. Oh, quick stop, scrappers. I noticed this one going by along that main road. Got a little dryer. Where can we put this? Over the top, I think. Or actually, hold on. Yes. This, oh yeah. You can take this chair. Over here. Boom. Garbage truck will get that. Let's go.